In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram quizzes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple poll into an interactive quiz your audience can answer right inside Telegram. First, open Telegram. You can use the mobile app, the desktop app, or the web version, whatever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in and everything is up to date so the poll tools appear as expected. Next, head to the group or channel where you want to run your quiz. If it's a group, confirm you have permission to post polls. Some groups restrict who can create them. If it's a channel, remember that only admins can publish, and subscribers will interact with what you post. In the message bar, tap the paperclip icon, which is the attachment button. This opens the menu of things you can add to the chat. From that menu, choose Poll. This opens Telegram's built-in poll creator, which is also used for quizzes. Now, type your quiz question and add your multiple choice options. Keep your question concise and unambiguous, and write options that are clearly distinct from one another. Avoid trick phrasing unless that's intentional for your audience. Add as many options as make sense for your topic, and double check spelling and capitalization for a professional finish. Scroll down and toggle on quiz mode. This is what converts a regular poll into a quiz with exactly one correct answer. With quiz mode turned on, participants will select a single choice, and Telegram will treat one of them as the right one. This helps you assess knowledge instead of just collecting opinions. Next, tap the correct answer from your list so Telegram knows which choice is right. You'll see a clear indicator that it's been marked. If you spot an error, you can still adjust your question or options before posting. Take a moment here to review the wording and make sure the correct answer is truly the one you intend. When everything looks good, tap Create to post. Your quiz will appear in the chat, ready for participants to answer. As people vote, they'll see whether they chose correctly, and you'll get instant, organized results. If your group is busy, consider announcing the quiz in a short message so no one misses it. That's it, quick, clear, and effective. You've just created a Telegram quiz that's perfect for learning checks, team training, classroom fun, or community engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing.